Good day, Ms. Alberio. We are the group of Pastel de la Creme, and today we are going to present to you our presentation on how to take and process food order. So here are the objectives. To learn how to take and process food order, to learn how to approach a table, to have a great understanding of the menu, to learn how to present the check, how to properly carry trays, and making suggestions to the customer. Okay. This is how to give and collect orders. Every establishment has a specific protocol for taking orders from the table and giving them to the kitchen and assembly areas. A new server needs to learn this protocol as quickly as possible in order to be an efficient team member. Asking for your order to be a rush order is not a good idea, unless there is a really good reason for it. Servers who are always rush orders will find themselves placed at the back of the queue more often than not. This is the key points on how to give and collect orders. Greet your diners the minute they walk in the door. You should always treat your guests nicely and with respect. You should always make them feel welcome the minute they walk in the door. Use respectful titles like sir or ma'am. Don't interrupt them. Give suggestions and recommendations. Listen intently and pay attention to what they want. Be thoroughly versed on your menu. Ask questions and repeat your orders to make sure you get it right. This is an example of how to give and take food orders. Next one is approaching the table. Usually, the table is already set up and ready before you approach the guests. They should be seated and ready to greet you. The rule to follow when approaching your guests is to pleasantly greet them at the table within 1 minute of them being seated. First impressions are exactly that. You never get a second chance at a first impression. Make sure that yours is pleasant, welcoming, helpful, and neat. Smile. Make eye contact and give them your name. Water should be brought to the table at this time, whether by you, the buzzer, or the hostess. Teamwork will make your first impression a good one. So, dapat kung nag-approach ka ng table, like kang approachable, like ka nandyan, dapat makapagbigay ka ng magandang impression sa mga customers mo. Okay. This is how to take drink orders. The first order to fill is the drink order. In today's increasingly aware environment regarding the economy, water is not always served in every restaurant. Be sure to ask your guests if they would like water because many of them still do not realize that serving water is no longer the norm. After checking about the water needs, share the soft drink and beer menu with your guests, as well as any varieties of iced tea that you offer. This order needs to be taken and served very quickly. Once the drinks are served, you may ask if your guests are ready to order. Your clue will be that all your guests will have closed their menus or placed them back on the table. Here is another video example on how to approach a table and how to correctly do things right. Next part is explaining the menu. Often there will be one guest who still perusing the menu when you approach a table to take the order. This is a good time to ask if there are any questions about the menu. Be helpful. If you have new guests who have never been to your establishment before, be knowledgeable about your menu, where specific items are in offer, to help your guests to find such items. Answer any questions about the menu. Give your guests a list of the items in a dish. If they ask, and be familiar with how each menu item is prepared. So, dito naman, dapat alam mo ang content ng iyong menu. Kasi, para di ka babalik sa kitchen nyo para magtanong ng tanong sa iyong chef. Dapat ikaw mismo alam mo yung paano siya ginagawa, kung paano pine-prepare, kung ano yung kung ano yung ingredients and many more. Okay. And here's a video example on the menu. So that is it for the first part. Thank you for listening.